Okay, good morning, guys. In today's video, I want to clarify on something. I've heard a lot of persons complaining that Meta AI, and let's say Facebook have blocked my account, Facebook have blocked my account, they have posted my account and all of that. So I want to make this video and clarify this. I want to tell you guys that Facebook, there is something that you can do on your Facebook. You keep doing that, Facebook will not be able to boost your account or block your account after work again. I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been working on Facebook for some time, and I'm also a social media manager. So I've worked with Facebook for some time, and then this very update have been helping me a lot in the several years of my work. So now I'll be revealing this to you guys so that you will also know what I've been doing to escape this very punishment. First, I want you guys to understand that Facebook is now monitored by Meta AI. And AI does not have conscience. It won't forgive you for whatever policy you have gone against. So stay vigilant, stay tight, and then get something from this video. So we'll first go to our Facebook. Open your Facebook. Okay, I was already on my Facebook account. So when you open your Facebook, come down to settings here. See these settings. Click on it. Once you click on the settings, this is what you are going to do. Look at see more in contact center here. You are clicking here. Click this very place. Click see more in contact center. Okay. Good. Scroll down. Look at your information and permission. Look at your information and permission here. Click the place. Click information and permission. Okay, let's wait. Our network is bad. But before I finish this video, please click the subscription button because I'll be making a whole of videos on different things, and then these videos are going to be very helpful to you. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will be following up this information. So now we are going to come down to your activity of Meta technology here. You click on it. Activity of Meta technology. Good. So look at this place here that says disconnect specific activity. Click there. So when you click on this place, okay, give me time. Good. That was network. To bring you to this page. So when you reach here now, you see here they say you have no available activity to show at this time. I have not worked for today. I have not used my Facebook to work for today, so there is no activity to show. But once you reach here, you put your password. When you put your password, you will disconnect all the activities of Meta technology. They will show you all the activities, things that you have done within the day here. Then you click continue here. You come down and click on continue here, down here. So after clicking on continue here, you come back and then you click this very page that says clear previous activity. You click on the page that says clear previous activity here. When you click on the page, you clear all the activity. You see, you clear all the activity. You have no activity available at the moment and all of that. So once you just clear everything, that's all. So I want to tell you guys that if you keep doing this, your account will not be banned. Your account will not be banned because Meta AI will not be able to monitor you, will not be able to monitor your account like it have been doing. It won't be able to monitor your account. So keep doing it. After every day of work, you do it. I will be bringing more because I've studied this Facebook of 18 for some time. So if you want to join my group down the click the link down the comment the description. You join my group. In my group, I earlier told you guys that I'm a social media manager. I've been teaching people how to manage their account, and I've been managing a whole lot of people. If you have been working and you want me to manage your account, I will be managing your account. I'll be helping you do all this work. But then when you join my group, you get to know more. Or when you message me up, you get to know much about this. So just click the link in the description and then chat me up on WhatsApp. I will help you manage your Facebook account, and then as well subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video so that you get to people that don't know, so they will also get to know about much about Facebook account. Thank you for being part of today's video. See you in my next video. Thanks.